Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Andre, and in this video I'll be giving you a quick tour of my apartment here in Buenos Aires. I'll be talking more about the location and the costs towards the end of the video. So let's get into it. So this is the entrance to the apartment, and directly to the right we've got the bathroom. As you can see, it's quite small, but it's got everything you need. You've got a shower there, toilet, sink, large mirror. That's the bathroom there. Then going forwards, right next to it, we've got the kitchen. And as you can see, it's actually a really good sized kitchen, especially for a single person. Like, I'm living here on my own, so this kitchen is fully equipped. It's got everything I need: fridge, freezer. It's got a washing machine, which is nice and convenient. It's got a kettle, toaster, microwave, oven. Yeah, just got everything I need, fully equipped. Plates, dishes, everything. And then right next to the kitchen, we've got the dining area, and the host actually left a nice little bottle of wine as a welcoming gift, which is really good. I appreciate that. I actually wish all hosts would leave a nice bottle of wine or something just as a little thank you gift. And then this is the living room area. As you can see, I've not fully unpacked yet. I've just moved in yesterday. So we've got a comfortable sofa there, got a little coffee table, a good sized TV with a fast internet connection. I've actually plugged in my Amazon Fire TV stick there, which I use all the time. And looking ahead, we've got the floor to ceiling windows, which leads onto the balcony. We've got the road there, and directly across the street, we've got this French inspired architectural buildings there, with the maisonette balconies there. And I've just got a basic modern style one. Yeah, it doesn't look as nice, it doesn't have as much character, but it does the job. And you'll find this a lot in Buenos Aires, like a lot of French inspired buildings there. And then we go back into the apartment here, and we'll check out my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. Again, it's a good size bed. I think this is like a queen size or a king size or something, but it's big anyway. And then we've got more floor to ceiling windows. That also leads onto the balcony. Got a full size mirror there. Plenty of storage. We've got cupboards here. Got ironing board and all that. And then we go into the ensuite bathroom here. So this is the biggest bathroom here. So it's got a bath, shower, obviously a toilet, sink, mirror, just everything that you would expect. So yeah, that's it. That's my bedroom. So in terms of location, I'm in an area called Monserrat. So it's actually not far from San Telmo. San Telmo is just down there. The last apartment that I was staying at was in Recoleta, and that was a really nice area. Monserrat isn't bad either, but I would say Recoleta is like more affluent. It's just a nicer type of area. But this isn't bad, like I said. I found this apartment on Airbnb, and I'm paying £630, which is, I think it's around $700 or something like that. And that's for the whole month. Now, if I was staying here on a long-term basis, like for a year or longer, for example, I could have rented this apartment or an apartment like this for a lot cheaper through a local estate agency and by signing a 12-month contract. But obviously, because I'm doing it through Airbnb and it's a short-term contract, it's going to be more expensive. But the good thing is all of the bills are included in this price. So the Wi-Fi, the hot water, the electricity, like everything. So everything comes under that 630 price point. But yeah, guys, that's about it for this video. I'm planning on making a few more videos whilst I'm still in Buenos Aires. So I want to film places like San Telmo, Puerto Madero, and a few other places. So stick around, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.